When your candle is lit, when you're successful, remember to reach out to other people. Hi friends, when your candle is lit, when you're successful, remember to reach out to other people. It's very helpful to help other people, like I'm going to do. But why do some people help? Why do some people, they used to help, and after some time, they don't help again? Come with me into the world or from me to a series. Your friend Ikechukwu, come with me as I support other people. I light his own candle. I light his own candle. I light his own candle. Now, I've empowered them to be successful. Are they happy with me? I don't know if they're happy with me, but I've done my own part to support them in life. His own candle has gone off. I'm helping him again. I'm doing my best for him to be successful. I've helped him. He went down. He's coming again to support him again. I don't know about my own time. Will they help me when I'm down? Will they help me? His candle went off. I gave him power again. He has managed his business. He has managed his business. He has managed his business. They're all successful. Now, my own business. I need to be happy. I need to move ahead. My own candle has gone off. Let me go back to them. If they will help me to lighten my own candle back again, to bounce back in business. Please, can I take your candle? Can I? He refused to assist me. He refused to empower me. He refused to encourage me. My phone calls, he has not been taken. Even a little help, he has refused. Even to borrow one of his car for me to run some emergency errand, he refused. Let me try the next man. I don't even know who took up my own candle, but I help them with my good conscience, with my good mind. Please, can I take it?
No, please. Because I don't know if eventually I help you now, my candle will punch again. Please, I love the way I am now. My glory is.
But I helped you.
Yeah, you helped me, it's fine. But now your candle has off, but I can't help you, please. Please. Help, please.
Will I walk in darkness now? How will I take care of my family? I help them so that they could help me return. But one man remaining, whether you help me. Can I light my candle?
No.
Please. No. But I helped you guys.
I can't.
You guys were jobless. And I helped them to get job. So I needed a phone call for a contact. I made the phone call. So I needed the referral. I gave them the referral. This is how life is. I heard the story of a young man who came back from overseas. He bought some properties. He wanted his friend to help him sell some of those properties at a high rate, with good profit. So the property he inherited from his family. He got them, and now they have really appreciated from the ones he bought as well. You know what happened? The day he slept in his friend's house. So the day will come for them to go to the market to get the buyers for those properties. No one helped him. Now, his friend that he trusted, he slept in his house, that with the made this property, he's going to gain overnight before dawn, his friend took his life so that he could not prosper. So that, you know what I mean? He trusted his friend to come and share prosperity with him. Likewise, all the people I helped, no one helped me. Sometime in life, my friend, those people used to help. Pretend as if you have problem, whether they'll help you. Pretend as if things are difficult for you, so whether they'll help you. Pretend as if you don't have any help again. But you know what? If God helped you once, He will help you again because you have a good heart. They didn't know I have the power. I have the power to come back again. And we're going to have challenges. Will they come back to me? Some are yet be foolish to still come run back to me to help. Forgetting. They told me when there's no food in the plate, it's a dirty plate. Now, I am back again. I am back to power. Now I'm back again to power. I'm back again to power. The wind of life. The wind of life has happened to him. Will I help him? The wind of life has happened to him. Will I help him again? The wind of life, you can see, has happened to him. Will I help him again? But look at me. I help them. Destiny, I help him to bounce back. Once a winner is always a winner. That is why some people in life, they stop a time from helping people because of the experiences of the betrayal, the backbiting of the people they helped in time past. I'm going to help one of them again to see if we help other people. If you're going to help other people, they've learned their lesson. Don't want them in the darkness. Don't want them in darkness, paying their children's school fee, paying their rent is not difficult for them because of their negative mind. Knowing that I'll bounce back again. If I didn't bounce back again in life, imagine what will have happened to me. I will have been worse than them. I will have been worse by then. I will have been worse by then. One of them is a betrayer. That is one I would not help. Because once a betrayer, it's always a betrayer. But people that make mistake, you can forgive. Watch out. I know who the betrayer is. That one I will not help. This man, he wronged me, but he was really a betrayer. Take up, give boundary to the betrayer. Don't let him cross the circle. This is the betrayer. Help him again, he's going to betray me again. No matter how emotional they are, please, I beg you, no matter how emotional they are, a betrayer is always a betrayer. I've forgiven him because I need to move forward. I don't want to have hatred in my life, but I'm not going to allow him into my circle again. Let him go. You're happy. You can see our candle can lit together. Our candle can lit together.
Please, can you help me again?
That is him. Him. If this man doesn't take time, you want to take off his light from him. Please.
I won't do that again.
No, I'm not. I'm forgiving you. I'm forgiving you. But life is all about being good with good conscience. No, because I know you are the betrayer.
Family at home.
That
I
is
need
it.
to take care of them, please.
I am so sorry.
God,
Friends,
please.
how to navigate through life challenges. Ikechukwu. God bless you.